Let's start to do the work in English Grammar Notebook. On the new page, you write down the heading, chapter number 9. Personal pronouns. Before starting to discuss about the personal pronouns, you have to write down the definition of pronouns. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Example, Rohit is my friend. Rohit studies in class 4. Rohit is a good boy. I like Rohit. I play with Rohit in the evening. Yes, dear students, pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Pronoun एक ऐसा word होता है जिसको हम noun की जगह पर use करते हैं to avoid the repetition of the noun again and again. अगर हम noun को again and again means बार बार use करते हैं तो that is not the proper way. So to avoid the repetition we use pronouns. Here you can see this information regarding Rohit. Rohit studies in class 4. Rohit is a good boy. I like Rohit. I play with Rohit in the evening. Again and again the noun Rohit is written. So to avoid the repetition of the noun we have to use the pronoun he. But whenever we are using the noun for the information first time the noun is written itself. पहली बार उस noun को ही लिखा जाता है ताकि क्लियर हो सके कि हम किसके बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. फिर उसके बाद जब अगेन एंड अगेन रोहित वर्ड इज देयर देन वी हैव टू यूज प्रोनाउन ओवर देयर. तो आई हैव यूज्ड प्रोनाउन ही. हियर रोहित इज subject. When the noun is subject, then we use he. But here you can see Rohit is object. This noun is object. So here we will not use he. Him will be used as the object for noun. Next, pronoun he is used to avoid repetition of noun Rohit. Now you write about the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is a word that refers to a particular person, group or thing. Personal pronoun वो होता है word जो कि किसी particular person या फिर किसी particular group या फिर किसी particular thing को refer कर रहा होता है. It is called personal pronoun because it takes the place of a noun in a sentence. किसी भी सेंटेंस में जब नाउन का प्लेस ले लेता है कोई वर्ड दैट वर्ड इज कॉल्ड एज प्रोनाउन. उस वर्ड को हम प्रोनाउन कहते हैं क्योंकि वो नाउन की प्लेस पे यूज़ किया जाता है. नाउन प्रोनाउन. नाउन का प्लेस लेने वाला वर्ड क्या कहलाता है? प्रोनाउन. विच आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस? ही, शी, इट, we, they, them, you, yours, their, them, her, him, etc. This is the information regarding pronoun and personal pronoun which you have to write in your English grammar notebook. After that, you have to do one exercise related to pronouns. Exercise is choose the correct pronouns he, she, they and it. 4 pronouns are given here and you have to choose the correct one for these nouns. A book. Noun is a book. Which pronoun will be used for a noun? Book. It's a thing, so we'll use it. Which pronoun is used for a book? It. A dog. For animals, we also use it. A boy, he. A bag, it. Kids. This noun is in plural form. So, which pronoun will be used here? They. They is used for the plural nouns. A rose, thing, it, friends, plural. This noun is in plural form. So we'll use they. Players, again in plural form, we'll write they for the players. So children, you have to do this exercise also in your English grammar notebook.